Federal government issues flood alert as Cameroon releases water from Lagdo Dam. The federal government has issued a flood alert as Cameroon begins releasing water from the Lagdo Dam. The Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency reports that the controlled water releases commenced on September 17th. According to Umar Mohammed, the agency's Director General, the initial discharge rate is 100 cubic meters per second, influenced by inflow from the upstream Garua River. It is expected to increase to 1,000 cubic meters per second over the next week. Authorities assure that these releases will be gradual to prevent overwhelming the Benue River system and avoid significant flooding downstream in Nigeria. The overflow is projected to cease once the Lagdo reservoir's inflow noticeably reduces. While the agency states there's no immediate cause for alarm, as flow levels along the Benue River remain within cautionary limits, they stress the need for heightened vigilance. States bordering the Benue River system, including Adamawa, Taraba, Benue, Nasarawa, Kogi, Edo, Delta, Anambra, Bayelsa, Cross River, and Rivers, are urged to implement appropriate preparedness measures. The Nigeria Hydrological Services Agency pledges to continue monitoring flow condition of the transboundary Benue River and national inland rivers. They will provide regular updates on water levels across major rivers to prevent potential flood disasters. As the situation develops, residents in affected areas are strongly advised to stay informed and follow guidelines from local authorities. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.